Hey guys! Today we're gonna be reviewing this snack drawn by our co-host Bryson.
Hello. So this is the Cosmos Hot Chicken Flavor Snack. It is 37 grams and it costs 6 ringgit 90 cents. So let's open it up. It's from Korea as well. It looks like Twisties.
Spicy. Not too spicy.
It's kind of spicy.
Yeah, it's kind of spicy. Is it nice?
Mm-hmm. Yes. There's a bit of taste of tomato.
Spicy and tomato?
Yeah. Yeah, it tastes a bit like tomato.
And it's a bit spicy, like I wouldn't compare it against the curry puff that I eat. What about the spicy Maggi Mian Bryson?
Yeah.
I think it's that one. Do you think it's so good?
Yeah, it's kind of spicy though.
Yeah. Do you think it's for kids?
No. Well, most kids at least.
Most kids. Some won't know. Some don't really like.
Because it's really spicy for kids, I guess.
I don't think it's that spicy.
It's kind of spicy.
Yeah, it's kind of spicy.
And there's a lot of tomato taste as well.
Ah. So do you think it's worth it? 6 ringgit and 90 cents.
No, not really. It's kind of small.
It's a small pack.
Yeah.
Smaller than this. This one is only 8 ringgit and it's big. Compare it with this. This is 200 grams and it's 5 ringgit. This one is smaller than 200 grams.
Yeah. It's kind of small and spicy.
Small and spicy, but is it delicious?
I wouldn't say it's the most delicious, but it's pretty good. Still compared to like something like Twisties.
Twisties?
Yeah.
Is it good against Twisties?
It's like a bit more delicious than Twisties actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that the conclusion?
Yeah.
Okay guys, goodbye. Remember to smash that subscribe button, smell that like button, and destroy that notification bell because it's just a bell. And you will also get notified. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wee.
Huh?
Baka Mulga! Sekaichi!
No, I tell Reese not to do that. Oh, Reese.